As you can see, we're in full spaceship mode. Took the wheels and tires off, got new Corel's for the front. The rears are off just to get balance. I've been on there a while and they need balancing. Just taking the center caps out. We don't want them getting lost. There we go. Cleaned. Lighter in the back. Fish clean. There's nothing on there. Not like a normal winter car. Just fucking crap everywhere. This one's nice. I like to run them in my hand just to see if they're binding up at all. Feel good. Torque stick. That's good. Three more. So I went around back and just checked in the engine bay and make sure everything was normal and around there, nothing funny going on. Came back, had another look at things, checking all the gauges to see if anything's changed, and everything's the same as what it was. I went in the back and I remembered there's a second check engine light that's hooked up directly to the ECM, so I thought I'd go back there and have a look at it and see if it was on, and it wasn't. I've had this happen once before where it comes on the front dash and not in the ECM, and it's just one of those fluke things, and I think it's because the battery's a little bit low and then it gets charged up or something like that, or something's back drawing on the front light and it's causing it to go on. I don't know, it's one of those weird things. It only happened once before and did it again this year for some reason. Alright, just put the tires back on, and she needs some gas, so we'll go get some gas and see how the tires are doing now that they're all balanced. And new Pirellis on the front. And see how she balanced up. Fuel her up. I'm not going to go far along because there's still salt on the roads. It's just finished melting. It's beginning of April yet, so winter's been hanging around. Plus I'm all my grubby still. Anyways, let's see how she does. Oh, kicking up stuff all in the wheel wells. She's windy today. Good. The pressure's a bit high. I can feel it. place to feel.
Yeah, well, we don't see each other that often because some of us have to work. Yes, yes.
Ran into my neighbor. Yeah, she feels good. The gusts of wind are funny. You can feel the wing. The whole car squatting down and a gust comes. I think it's here when I decided to check the horn, and it's not working because it's just too early in the year, and it tends to not work until it gets further on the year. It's one of those air horns, just like they use in the real deal. So anyways, I was checking in, and that's when I looked down. I noticed that the check engine light's no longer on. Not sure when it went out, but it went out. First ride of the year. Don't want to bring it in. Should have just gone to get gas and back, but hard not to. Little work on the Camaro. Next. Roles are reversed. He's in her territory. She's in his territory. This is why you haven't seen much of me in the last few weeks in videos. I've been helping my daughter out with this, her gazebo here for her college project.